You have me in middle. Okay, nice one. Okay, nice there. Nice!
I got 3 of them.
Guys, I told him 22 seconds and 2 goals. In 11 seconds, he scored one. Shit, that was a very bad miss. I'm sorry.
Yours. If you don't hit
Right.
it, it's mine. I guess not.
Oh
I guess not. He's coffee.
This is the second open goal miss of this game.
Come on. Not I have it.
Nice. Nice shot. Let's go. I saw him and I was like, I'm not touching it. I'm not moving even. I'll just stay there. Hands up. I don't.
Yours?
Let's
Now
go.
you can hands on.
Ah. Beautiful save.
Behind you. Mine.
Go.
Oh,
My fish.
got it, right? You got it.
Yes, yes. Part. The second one I missed. Ambiagina. Hey, wait. For a second, almost I was in you.
Yeah, I feel.
Teammate must not bump. Oh, it's not working again. Close one, and good job. Ouch. Okay.
It's a tough game. Got the guy. You have time. Ah, I just landed.
Shit.
Oh no, now no. No! He lost connection. Wild, what's up, man? Welcome to the stream. I lost connection. Keep the switch again. Let's go, guys. What a time to be alive. Final champ tournament. Asia.
Hey guys. Timo, I think I'm back.
I guess. So.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah, come. What is happening? Oh no, my game is at the... Guys, you see the resolution, right? I don't know what is happening, to be completely honest.
Nice.
Demo, I need a second.
Oh,
Yeah, like my resolution is at like extremely potato.
thanks for saving.
Team. Oh,
Yo! Phone? What's up, man? Welcome to this thing.
guys, I don't know what the is wrong right now. So everything possible happened in this tournament. Sorry. Let's try. Nice shot.
How you doing?
Yeah, guys. Yeah. Let's push it as much as we can. 22 seconds and 2 goals. So. You have me in middle. Okay, nice one. Okay, nice there. Nice!
I got 3 of them.
Guys, I told him 22 seconds and 2 goals. In 11 seconds, he scored 1. So let's see in 11 seconds if he can score another one.
Oh, it's okay, man. It's okay. Thanks for being here, though. Alright. Oh, that.
Wait.
Classic putt. Thanks for being here. Thanks for checking in.